the notion of rigid separation of Jews and Poles in the 18th century was almost geographically impossible. All of Warsaw, she showed on a map, in the 18th century, had a physical size equal to one district of Paris. Now, there's only so much separation you can have when everybody lives within walking distance of everybody else. And in the small towns, all the more so. You didn't have ghettos. You had the Jews lived together, as they do in America too very often. But there were certainly no ghettos for 12 families in a small town, in a shtetl, small town I'm not even talking about the villages, a small town of, a few hundred, a couple of thousand was a big town. And pointed out there was a huge amount of intermarriage. But of course the intermarriage disappear. So you don't know about it as much. But there had to be. And then she talked about particularly the close relationships between wandering Jewish peddlers and Polish bandits. She talked about the close relations between wandering Jewish peddlers and Polish bandits, because the peddlers were the advancement. They would scope out the village or the town, what's going on, where to do, where to grab, what to rob, and they'd inform the Polish bandits. And the Polish bandits would then come in and pay a fee to the advance man. So there are all kinds of interrelations that aren't talked about. And that was the old world it's not till the 19th century that it became, in fact, in many ways, the Polish anti-Semitism goes back a long way, the Ukrainian much longer. It's not till the 19th century that a kind of an intellectual anti-Semitism, that the church became much more anti-Semitic, and that more the separations, and that a Yiddish culture developed, too, that was self-conscious and different.